In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update Microsoft Office to the latest version quickly and easily. Keeping Microsoft Office updated is extremely important because updates include new features, performance improvements, bug fixes, and most importantly, security patches that protect your computer. The good news is that updating Office only takes a few clicks, and I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss anything. And if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software guides. Now, let's jump right in. To begin, open any Microsoft Office application on your computer. This can be Microsoft PowerPoint, Word, or Excel. For this example, we'll use PowerPoint, but the steps are exactly the same across all Office apps. Once PowerPoint is open, look at the top left corner of the screen and click on the File tab. This will open the Backstage view, where you can access settings and account information. After clicking File, look at the menu on the left-hand side, scroll down if needed, and then click on Account. In some older versions, this may appear as Office Account, but it works the same way. When you click on Account, you'll see information about your Microsoft Office subscription, product activation status, and update settings. On the right-hand side, look for a section labeled Product Information. Under this section, you should see a button called Update Options. Click on Update Options and a small drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, click on Update Now. As soon as you click Update Now, Microsoft Office will begin checking for the latest available updates online. If an update is available, Office will automatically start downloading and installing it. During this process, you may see a message saying that Office is being updated. Make sure you save your work before starting the update, because Office applications may temporarily close while the update installs. The update process usually takes just a few minutes, depending on your internet speed and computer performance. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a confirmation message saying that Office is up to date. If you don't see the Update Now option, it could mean that updates are managed by your organization, especially if you're using a work or school account. In that case, you may need to contact your IT administrator. There's also another option in the Update Options menu called Enable Updates. If you see that instead of Update Now, click Enable Updates first, then click Update Options again and select Update Now. Keeping automatic updates enabled is highly recommended because it ensures you always have the latest features and security improvements without needing to manually check each time. And that's it. That's how you update Microsoft Office to the latest version using PowerPoint, Word, or Excel. Just open the app, click File, go to Account, select Update Options, and then click Update Now. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow Microsoft Office tutorials and tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.